हाय, वेलकम टू वीज़ कॉर्नर। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि सब लोग ठीक ठाक हो और घर में महफूज हैं। ऑल राइट, नाउ वी विल go as the you can see from the tagline. It is a kurta set haul, again cotton, because cotton and me are just inseparable. So we'll dive into the haul. Before that, I want to just say that from this haul I will be starting a hack, yeah, a tip at the end of the haul. Now this can be related to anything, okay? It can be clothing, cooking, जो भी घर में जो भी है, बाहर जो भी, एक कोई भी hack जो आपने या आप suggest कर सकते हो, which is worked for you, okay, which is tried and tested. That is the only condition. All right, so you will see it at the end. For that you'll have to wait and see my entire haul. So my Instagram handle is there, please do follow me on that, and let's begin the haul. Okay, so coming to the first kurta is this is a beautiful yellow kurta. You can see this. I mean, just look at this color. I don't know इस कलर को exactly क्या बोलते हैं, मुझे नहीं पता, बिकॉज ना इट्स नॉट इवन ये वो अंडा कलर मैं कहती हूँ, द योक वाला कलर, मस्टर्ड नहीं है, अंडा वाला नहीं है. इट इज़ लाइक दैट, यू नो, वेरी सनी ब्राइट कलर. इट विल जस्ट लाइवन अप योर मूड. आपको बहुत एंड खूबसूरत है. इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. ओके, इट्स एग्जैक्टली एज आई एम शोइंग यू जस्ट नाउ. आई एम सॉरी द लाइटिंग इज़ फ्लक्चुएटिंग, बट द सनलाइट इज़ moving around. So like, yeah, the sunlight is not, you know, the weather is not all that great today. Anyways, so this is how it goes. Iske saath now you can, it has beautiful work at the bottom. The plus point of this is आप इसको separately एक dress जैसे भी पहन सकते हो. You can just wear it. It rocks. It looks beautiful as a dress. Just put your hair up and you know you're good to go. It looks lovely as a dress. I've worn this and I trust you me, it looks lovely. Now इस dress के नीचे bottom wear नहीं आता. That let me clarify, because then you will say क्या कुछ भी बोलती है. No, इसके नीचे bottom wear नहीं आता. Okay, आपको अगर चाहिए तो कुछ भी प्लाजो, बट लगता नहीं. ये देखिए, मेरी हाइट है 5'3" और it fits me properly. It comes to my ankles. You can see I'm wearing जानबूझ के मैंने 1.5 inch heels पहने हैं. So you can see. So it is a great thing. The amazing part is the dupatta. Look at this. And what makes it unique is this, you know, these kind of stripes with the this flowery print. It just looks so nice ना जब आप ऐसे लेते हो. It's a beautiful piece. A definite thumbs up. Buy this, guys. If it's available, I'll leave the link at the bottom. Okay, the next kurta is I get this feel ना, कभी कभार वो हम दुकान में जाते हैं ना और वो बोलते हैं मैडम आइए आइए बैठिए, एंड वो यू नो डिफरेंट चीज़ें दिखाते. तो आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग दैट वाइब कि मैं ऐसे ही कर रही हूँ एंड इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ फन. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ ये this. It's not a navy blue, नहीं बोल सकते इसको, but it is a beautiful, you look at the work, rust and blue combination. So it's a straight cut with slits, and it comes with a trouser pant, which, you know, it's like cigarette pants and has a slight slit at the bottom. So now you can wear this just as it is. It looks really good. That time you can accessorize it because it's a light sober color है, ज़्यादा bright नहीं है. So you can just put, you know, oxidized jewelry and you can jazz this up a lot. ये आपको ना, you can use this as a, बहुत elegant लगेगा फिर, you know, just that only the kurta and वो और heels पहनिए, it will look And if you don't want that, there is the highlight is of course the dupatta. I mean, this is मलमल का soft cotton दुपट्टा, guys. बहुत ही सुंदर है. Length, width, everything सब ठीक ठाक, 10 on 10. Okay, so this is an amazing buy. So ये मैं यहाँ रखती हूँ. मुझे वो बहुत वाइब्स. आइए मैडम, नेक्स्ट कुर्ते पे जाते हैं. ओके, द नेक्स्ट कुर्ता है दिस पिंक वाला. दिस वन, It's a straight kurta, long kurta hai. It's a flowery kurta. Most are flowery prints, okay? And you get it along with the pajama like this. Straight again cigarette pants है, आप देख सकते हैं. Again इसका भी the highlight I love is, मुझे लगता है what brings out the entire show is the dupatta because of the white part. I just love it. Again malmal dupatta, very good. Now one thing I have to say about this piece is that it's out of stock, so I've left an alternative, okay, so which is similar. In fact that one which I've seen, it has tassels, so it might look even better. So mujhe if you buy it, please send me a shot on my Insta. I'd love to see it. Okay, so that's pink हो गया. अब हम आते हैं इस कलर पे. Oh God, now you guys need to help me out here because this color, I'm saying brown, but is it actually brown? It's a different shade of brown. मैंने ये ना shade, it's a very different, ये chocolate भी नहीं है, it is not even maroon, it's a lighter brown कह सकते हैं. वो जो you know, you got the word, a horse. A horse, if you've seen, na, horses come like in this color, yeah. Okay, the best part is the angrakha style, and what I loved about this is that there is no डोरी. नॉर्मली क्या होता है ना, डोरी रहती है और थोड़ा सा फिटिंग में प्रॉब्लम हो ही जाता है. मतलब एटलीस्ट फॉर मी, यू नो, आई कांट गेट दैट. एंड दैट डोरी वो लटकन ना नीचे ऐसे लटकते हैं, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. सिंपल सा है, ग्रेट टू वेयर. It does not have slits, so you can even wear it as a dress. It looks perfectly amazing अगर आप ड्रेसेस पहनना चाहते हो तो. एंड अगर नहीं तो ये पूरा सेट है, ये इंडो एरा से है. बाय द वे, इंडो एरा इज़ वन ऑफ माई गो टू ब्रांड्स. This comes with these palazzos, straight, these are wide legged palazzos, and of course इसका दुपट्टा तो क्या कहना, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful dupatta, full lengthwise, everything is right about this. All right, so you can buy this. I think it is available, so you can totally go for this dress. All right, okay, moving on to the next one. How can we not have something of two colors of my favorite colors? That is, one is this white one. Look at this, guys. उफ, बहुत ही प्यारा सूट है, बहुत. और ना इस सूट में छोटे डिटेलिंग है, जैसे ये एंड में ना लेस वर्क दिया है पूरा. एंड इवन ऑन द स्लिट, साइड स्लिट्स जो होते हैं, यहाँ पे लेस वर्क दिया है. ये छोटे छोटे चीज़ें ना बहुत अहम होते हैं बिकॉज दे ऐड टू द एंटायर आउटफिट. द डिटेलिंग पार्ट makes the outfit look classy and elegant, and it just stands out. Another part about this is that it has the palazzo, a straight wide cut, but look at this, it's completely plain और नीचे ना बड़े ऐसे prints हैं. Looks beautiful. Again here it has this lace detailing. It looks so good when you wear it personally. Oh God, amazing. And simple सा white दुपट्टा भी आता है इसके साथ, जिसको again lace में, if you can see this, I don't know if the camera is focusing, but you can see this lace work done on this. It looks very nice. I think this na, ये किसने some celebrity has worn this. If I'm not mistaken, Janhvi Kapoor. She has worn this in one of her looks. I think so. I'm not very sure, but yeah. And then my favorite one, that is the last one, which is, I cannot speak enough. मैं कुछ बोलूँगी नहीं, आप बोलिए अब. Which is this. ये देखिए. It is so beautiful. It is so pretty. It has got this gota patti work going on here. और यहाँ पे ना डोरी है which looks very cute when you just drop it. It's got a slight flare. नीचे भी यहाँ गोटा पट्टी सिल्वर लाइनिंग दिए हैं तीनों, and that adds to the, these small things really add up to the entire look. हाँ, इसके साथ ये बॉटम वेयर मिलती है आपको. मरून एंड ब्लैक is a killer combination. These are the wide-legged bottom. They look really amazing. Yeah, seriously. You can accessorize it in so many ways. Suddenly I start thinking about I don't know if this happens to you. मेरे साथ होता है. मैं ना जब भी कोई कुछ if I buy something, I start, how am I going to accessorize it? You know, so this is the dupatta. Now the highlight of this is the white and the maroon, the blends of the colors, the black, then the, you know, the white, then the maroon. It looks so beautiful because when you hold it in your hand ना बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगता है. So that brings us to the end of the haul. I hope you guys have enjoyed the haul. Now you will say, how, where's the hack, where's the tip? I'm telling you the tip. The tip is simple. It can be related to anything, guys. कुछ भी. This time is a very simple घर का tip है. That is धनिया store कैसे करें for a longer time. ये देखिए, ये धनिया, कोरिएंडर, कोथिम्बिर जो भी है. Now how do you store this? Yes, you store this with an अंडा. सच में आप अंडा इसके नीचे ऐसे आप रखोगे ना और उसके ऊपर जस्ट धनिया डालोगे. आई हैव जस्ट रिमूव्ड व्हेन यू गेट द बंच, वो डोरी रहती है वहाँ पे आपको कट करना है और सिर्फ ऐसे इसको रखें इन अ एयर टाइट कंटेनर एंड देन यू कीप इट इन योर फ्रिज. दिस धनिया गाइज आई एम शोइंग यू 3 weeks बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडेमिक हमारे यहाँ सब्जियाँ ईजिली नहीं मिलती और धनिया एंड ऑल दैट यू डोंट गेट. वी ऑल हैव धनिया लाइक in the morning. Everybody has dhania juice. I know it sounds gross but we do and it's just very healthy. But that's another story. धनिया तो लगता है. ये टिप ना it works. My mother was also very like अंडा इसमें, I said because वो अंडा खाती नहीं है. But you're not if you don't like it, don't use it. But this tip works and it stays fresh for such a long time. So that is something I thought, let me just add something new after a video haul, some hack, some tip. And please I'd love it if आप लोग भी मेरे साथ शेयर करें कमेंट सेक्शन में आपने कोई टिप या ऐसे कुछ हैक रिसेंटली ट्राई आउट किया है दैट हैज़ वर्क फॉर यू. बिकॉज ये मैंने कहीं तो देखा था यूट्यूब में एंड आई ट्राई जैसे अंडा कैसे लाइक हाउ इज गोना वर्क बट इट एक्चुअली डिड वर्क. सो आई थॉट आई शेयर इट विद यू गाइज. ओके, enough. So that we come to the end of my video. So please do leave in the comment section आपको कौन सा कुर्ता पसंद आया, which is your favorite. Please, I'd love to know, and what kind of hauls you would like me to make. So thank you guys for listening and thank you for your attention. Please stay safe and I hope everyone in your family is hale and hearty. Till next week, I'm signing off. Bye bye. Thanks for your time.